Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare Miro versus Mural. These two powerful online whiteboarding tools are essential for modern teams seeking visual collaboration. We will explore their core functionalities, unique features, and ideal use cases. By the end, you will have a clear understanding of which platform might best suit your specific project needs and team dynamics. Let's dive into the details and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to features, Miro often presents a cleaner, more open-ended user interface with an infinite canvas, allowing for vast creative freedom. It also boasts a wider array of third-party integrations, connecting with many popular apps. Mural, on the other hand, shines with its powerful facilitation tools, such as the summon feature, which guides participants' attention, and a private mode for individual work. Both offer hundreds of templates, though Miro's are often described as more refined. For collaboration, Miro is often favored for larger, long-term projects requiring extensive planning and detailed diagramming, like building product roadmaps. It makes mind mapping and journey mapping quite intuitive. Mural is frequently chosen for more structured, facilitated workshops and client engagements, offering features like a laser pointer for presenters. While Miro offers in-app video chat for up to 25 participants, Mural provides a quick talk feature for smaller, spontaneous voice calls. Regarding pricing, both Miro and Mural offer free plans, usually limited to a few editable boards, typically 3 to 5. Their paid plans are quite comparable, often starting at around $8 to $10 per user per month when billed annually. Ultimately, choosing between them depends on your team's specific needs. Miro is often the choice for those seeking creative flexibility and extensive integrations, while Mural is excellent for structured facilitation and teams new to digital whiteboarding.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.